Folks, every year in Australia, over 3,000 people get bitten by snakes. Now look, I'm here with Craig from SS Safe. He's one of Australia's leading experts in snakes. He's going to show us exactly what to do if you're unfortunate enough to get bitten by a snake. First and foremost, folks, chuck one of these survival first aid snake bite kits in your four-wheel drive because it's got absolutely everything you need to treat a snake bite.
Take hours to move. If you manage the bite correctly, it'll take hours to work its way up there.
By then you're at hospital. Everybody needs to know how to treat a snake bite, and everybody needs one of these survival first aid snake bite kits. Look folks, put it in your four-wheel drive, keep it with you when you're out bush, and when you need it, it'll save your life.